Hey friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from BuyMeganElizabeth.com, and it's Tuesday tutorial day, and I told you we are going to feature the reindeer feed transfer all month long, as well as a few other goodies. 12 days of giveaways is starting. I have a special video this Wednesday, and 12 days every single day there's a new tutorial. Anyway, because 12 days are coming and it's Christmas season, I know we're not quite to Thanksgiving yet, but it's just about there, and we've had this up for the month. I'm going to show you how easy it is to wash away your Chalk Couture chalkboards or surfaces. I literally just have a wet paper towel. You can use a wet paper towel, or if you really want to give it an amazing clean, I'm going to show you how to do that too. Wet paper towel works, but we have board erasers that are phenomenal. They are magical. All right, I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of water, and you're going to watch the magic happen. And we are going to re-chalk this Aiden board, which you actually get in your designer kit. It's included. Okay, so if you go over to BuyMeganElizabeth.com and click on the links to become a designer, click on the Chalk Couture one, you can get all the details and information there on what that entails, all the FAQs, and you can come be a part of our team of designers and get this chalkboard included. Now look at this magic, okay? Seriously, I'm not doing any crazy effort, no special like extra hard scrubbing or anything like that. I'm just wiping this chalkboard completely clean with our board erasers. All right, and they're great for cleaning the house too, I'm just saying. I'm just going to get off the excess water moisture with a dry paper towel. Okay. Just wiping away moisture. That's all I'm doing. And it's time to do our reindeer. Now, I'm going to actually cut this out because this is a huge transfer that's not going to completely fit on this chalkboard. So what we're going to start by doing, I already did this on my pillow. I can still reuse this over and over and over again. All right, there's no worries, but I'm going to work it in sections here. And I'll just have to make sure that when I'm ready to use the full design again, I just place it and piece it back together just as how I cut it out. Okay, because it's not going to all fit on my chalkboard any other way. So what I'm going to start with is North Pole. And I just wanted to show you how you can piece up and really diversify the use of all your transfers. All right, so North Pole is going down here along the bottom. I feel like I want to do like an ombre, but I think we're going to keep it really simple. We'll grab Garden Herb. For North Pole. Because this is going to hang on my wall for a good chunk of the holiday season. And I can just reuse this over and over and over with whatever saying I want for my craft room. As my mood changes, the holidays change, so can my chalkboard. All right. I'll wash off that transfer, let it fully dry, and stick it back on the backing sheet. Okay. I also want to do the reindeer here. So we're going to cut him out. Again, this will all piece back together like a puzzle if I want to do it all as the design it was created to be. But I really like to diversify and use my transfers in a multitude of ways. Okay. So this is going to go really close to the top center. Okay, this is a big open space here, so you want to really make sure it's down all the way around these edges. And we're going gonna do it in Garden Herb too. Okay. Fill in all the edges, all the little holes of your silk screen transfer here. Nice, solid, even coat. All the way down, all the way across. Again, we're gonna wash it off and we'll stick it right back on that backing sheet, okay? All the little speckles and distressing right there for us. This is so cute. Nate's gonna love it. He's gonna be like, don't hang it in your craft room. It has a really cool reindeer head or deer head on it. I know him pretty well, just saying. All right. And I'm gonna grab the color Fawn. Let's just dry this real quick. We're gonna start with Village. Again, just swiping and wiping. Excess goes right back into the container. All right, and it's ready to hang back on my wall for the upcoming 12 days. I can't wait to see you guys all week long, well, all 12 days long, starting Black Friday. We also have a special video coming this Wednesday to get ready for the holiday season, so don't miss it. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.